So these are some of the things you should avoid when selling your house that could actually cost you either the sale or the amount of money that you're going to net for you and your family. So don't leave it up to no one. Definitely hire a professional, right? So underestimating the cost of selling. Usually when buyers buy houses, they generally speaking don't pay a commission, right? And when you go to sell your home, you actually have to pay the commission. That gets split in two, and the buyer's agent also gets a portion of commission, and your agent gets the commission for marketing, selling, and managing the sale. So make sure you know what that is in your area. Setting number two would be if you're setting an unrealistic price. Doesn't matter what kind of marketing we do. If your house is worth $1 million and you put it on for $2 million, nobody's coming to look at it. It's just that simple. So be intelligent about pricing it correctly. Number three, only considering the highest offer. There are many offers that are much more advantageous than maybe just price alone. For instance, you may need time to move out. You may need to consider different things. And because of that, you want to sell your home now. And because of that, because you have to consider all those things, you just got to make sure that you pay attention to the kind of offer you actually consider taking. Now, ignoring major repairs or doing costly renovations. If you do too many costly renovations, stuff you're not going to get money for, well, that doesn't make sense. And if you ignore a hole in the roof or your furnace, something major that needs to be taken care of, you may not get as much as you need, and that those things will bring you money back, right? And not preparing your home for sale would be number five. You have to make sure that your home is show ready. I know it's not fun. Hire somebody to clean it, hire somebody to spruce it up, or you do the job, right? After all, it is your home and you are selling it. And in order to sell something, everybody wants to buy something nice, right? So just make sure you get your home ready for sale. And number six, which is probably the most costly mistake on a financial basis because you're not going to get as much, is choosing the wrong agent or selling your home the wrong way, right? So you want to make sure you do it right. My name is Dave, DNA Realty Group. If you want to sell your home, go ahead and follow the links below.